Standard 9, Subject English, Poem 3.3, The Road Not Taken. This poem is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born on 26th March 1874 in San Francisco, California, US. This poem is the most famous and beautiful poem. It is about the journey of life and what he decides when he has to cross roads. So I'll just read few lines and explain it accordingly. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. These lines means the poet is standing at the edge of a road in a forest where the trees have yellow leaves. There are two roads going in separate directions. He is sorry that he cannot travel along both the roads. He stands there for a long time and peers down one road till the place where it bends and is covered with bushes. The next lines are, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. These line means he takes other road which was just as good. He felt more attracted to it because it was grassy and did not seem much used, though at the edge of both the roads seemed equally well used. The next line says, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. These line means that morning both of them seemed equally covered with leaves that had not been blackened by the footsteps of people. He chose one road and kept the first one for another day. However, he knew how one decision led to another, and he doubted if he would ever come back. The last lines I shall be telling with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. This means he says that he will be telling this with a sigh somewhere many years later, that when two roads went in different directions in a wood, he took the one that was less travelled by, and that has made all the difference in his life. Thank you.